Ugh.
All right. Well, let's get rolling, Izzy.
All right. Good morning, everybody. It's Thursday, April 24th. We got two lessons ready for you today, and they are, let's see, we got the 18-month same day email or phone call, and we have this 24-month call feedback call.
$18 the same day that you just sent out the handwritten. I want you picking up the phone or email. Never send out a piece of mail without a follow-up. Never. I don't trust the U.S. Postal System. It's government. Why am I going to trust them? First, I got to put a stamp. It's not going out today. Use every reason to call people. Every reason to call somebody. Call them. The reason I'm calling is I'm sending you a piece of mail. I want to make sure I have the right address. This is also an opportunity now to do what? Update that critical file you have that is money for tomorrow. The reason I'm calling, John, is I'm sending you a piece of mail. What you sending me? Just wrote you a little note, thinking about you. You're a valued customer. I want to be sure I have the right address. Look what I just did. I banged it out. Mail went out, made a phone call, collected the right address, and touched the guy. Anything good over there in your world? Business good? Anything I can do for you? Hey, oh, by the way, since you're on the phone, didn't expect to talk to you. Who do you know? The 24-month call. The reason I'm calling, it's been 2 years since you concluded, finalized your investment in our company. And I want some feedback from you. I have 3 questions that'll take less than 2 minutes. Can you give me that time? Yeah, Grant, go ahead. Grant, what is it? Number 1, would you do it with me again? Get an answer. Number 2, when can we do it again? How clear can I be? When can we do it again? I told you the 24-month call was the sick call, okay? Number 3, who do you know other than yourself that I can assist? Here's the 3 questions, okay? Number 1, would you do it again with me? Hopefully the answer is yes. If it's no, find out why. No will provide you with great content. It needs to go in your CRM, critical data, because it's going to tell you what they're going to do next time. Maybe you can assist them in that. Even if it's no to the last, it's yes to something else. A no is yes to another thing. Number 2, when can we do it again? When can we do some business again? I enjoyed the first time so much. I want to know, when can we do it again? And 3, who do you know that I can assist other than yourself? It's 2 years. I don't even know how many calls I've made right now. I've just laid out a schedule for you, calls you can make. I've probably doubled that already. Why? Because I'm unreasonable. I'm cray-cray. Did I say that already? I refuse to be average, so I am going to do the unreasonable thing, and I'm going to keep following people up. I hope you do the same. Good luck with this.
Be unreasonable.
Yeah.
Right? Hey, speaking of unreasonable, there's Kevin.
Oh.
Wow.
He's had
taking a lot of heat today.
An unreasonable amount of winning. Handling it like a champ.
Yeah, here we are. Fresh concrete.
Nice.
Love it.
Just put my initials in it now.
Okay.
Actually, I probably don't do that.
Your initials of FK?
So it's all good. It's all good. We're working on our second truck right now, so we'll be done here in probably 45 minutes.
Awesome.
At least with the pour.
Well, we got Bob Seger wrote a song about you. It's called Night Moves.
Night
Moves. I feel for you, man. I know what those night shifts are like.
Yeah, it's like being on a different planet.
Yeah. Very quiet and lonely planet.
Yeah. 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 My circadian rhythm is definitely in a tailspin. So here's our, can you guys see this is our path,
Yeah.
and this is the wet area right there. It's fine.
Yeah, it looks moisture conditioned to me.
Yep.
Yeah, it is. So there we have it.
Cool.
Live
Thank
from
you,
the
Kevin.
field.
Nice, Kevin.
Live from Walmart, Union City. See, Izzy, that's content, right?
That's right.
Yeah. See, now, Kevin, you can start promoting your concrete pouring skills.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Tear it out, put it back. All right, Iz, what you got for us, buddy?
Hey, Grant just gave us a bunch of reasons to call up and follow up with our clients. So, it's time to start implementing now that we got some new clients on board. All right.
Yeah.
Just reach out to them. We got a bunch of excuses to get some feedback, and then we could use that feedback for our content on social media. So I think it's a lot of great ways to get more ideas and get fresh stuff out all the time to our viewers. So, just get out there and use it. Let's go.
Do it.
Do it. Do
All
it.
right. When you coming home?
A couple days.
All right. You bring your wife with you?
No.
Don't even bother coming back. All right. Well, we have a bunch of shit on our plate today. Tri-Point, campus at Bayside. What's that job that John sent us from last year? Palisades. Not the Palisades. A different Palisades. What else we got, Jared? What else is nipping at your heels?
Nothing like super depressing.
Okay.
I'm excited for this new Primrose job.
All right. We got another Primrose. So we will be getting takeoffs done and posted and go after another one.
Where is
Kevin's job, so tell the court.
Where's Thornwood?
So San Jose.
Oh, that's the name of the street.
Yeah.
Nice.
Right next to the Oak Ridge Mall.
All right. Keep it tight. Keep it tight. Right on. Aaron, you got anything?
Nope.
All right. Well, it's Thursday. Let's go to work.
Oh, real quick, just internally, everyone, I don't know, Kevin, if you have AI, but if you're ever feeling overwhelmed at reading a contract, just put it into AI and ask it questions and it'll pick out all the things you need. I had it dissect a geotechnical report yesterday. Had to trim out the charts, but the text, and it was able to, for Tri-Point, tell me, where structural fill needs to be used. I kind of already knew, so I wanted to see what it said, but it's pretty fucking good at analyzing text at this point. So I think it can be our de facto lawyer for contract documents, spec reviews. Grok won't take more than 32 megabytes. So you might have to break things up into bite-sized chunks for it, but that's still a pretty big attachment, So keep that in mind. AI is going to help you on those really tedious, read a lot of text tasks. Just don't do it.
Plug it in, tell it to talk to you like you're in 8th grade, and boom, it'll give you what you need.
Yeah, I had it analyze our contract for Calabasas, like what the contract terms were, if it's lump sum or not to exceed, and told me that like that,
Nice. Start using it, man.
Yeah.
It will change your life. They had Ara doing market research this morning on my way in. So we'll talk about that at another time.
Yeah.
All right, guys. We will all see you again mañana.